Hi, welcome coders. Welcome to the IT and Code Foundation. The starting point of your developer journey. Whether you are coding in Python, building up web apps, or exploring AI, the command line is your superpower. Get ready to master essential commands like cd to change directory, ls to list files, ls-la detailed file list, mkdir make folder, del delete file, cat view file contents. Fast, simple and cross-platform. This is where real developers begin. Let us dive into the terminal now. Hi coders. For command line interface CLI, you have to type bash, bash, and you can see Git Bash app, in which you have to click the run as administrator. When you click it, then the command line interface will be shown like this. For this tutorial, we will use Git Bash as our command line tool. It's perfect for beginners on Windows because it supports familiar Unix commands like pwd, ls and cd, and comes with Git pre-installed. No need to install Git separately. Okay, I will tell about the Git later. You no need to install any Git. So, making it ideal for learning both CLI and version control in one place. This is bash command. You have to use, we strongly recommend we have to use this bash. It is available in every Windows nowadays. Okay, we will see the commands right now. First command is pwd. What is that? Print working directory. Find out where am I. It is I am in the path of c:users and kumsu this directory. Okay. If I say this is the first command is over, second command I'll type ls. ls command is nothing but list. What is in here? Simply under the kumsu directory, what are the files are there? It shows all the files. You see? Using down arrow up arrow key, you can view all the files. These are the files. Okay. Now, I give you one more command, ls minus la. It shows all hidden files and details. Just press enter. It shows all the hidden files. ls command will show you only the non-hidden files. ls minus la will give you all the hidden files also. Okay. Now, third command is cd. cd is nothing but change directory. Moving into a folder. As you know, we are in pwd. Okay. Now, if I type ls, it will show you the directories and the files. These are the directories, documents, contacts, app data. These are the directories. I want to navigate to this directory. You have to use cd command. What is this? App data. Okay. I want to navigate to this directory. You type cd space that app data. Now you see we are into the directory app data. How to know where we are? pwd is a command, print working directory. Now you see the difference. We were in kumsu directory only. Then we use cd, another directory. We choose the directory app data and enter into that. So cd command change directory. To navigate to the any directory, you have to use cd command. Okay. How to come out from this directory? Now I am in the directory app data. Okay. Now you see ls, it shows all the files under the app data. Now my present working directory is app data. C user kumsu app data. Now I want to come out from that. For that, cd space dot dot. Change that. It comes out from the current directory. That is app data. If I simply press enter here, you can see here, I have come out from the app data. I am into the current directory kumsu. Okay. Now, and the fourth command mk direct. So make directory. Let us create a project folder. Okay. Make a folder called my first project. Now I create one project folder. Make directory and project folder called my first project. Okay. It will create a directory. Now you see ls, it will show you that directory. My first project is the directory. Okay. Oh, right. Now if you want to see, I want to get into the directory. For that you have to use cd space. Now I am in present working directory is kumsu. I want to get into my directory which created now. First project. Okay. Now you see my print working directory is my first project. I have entered into my first project which I have created as the project folder. Okay. Okay. Two way you can create directory, mk directory, or otherwise you can create touch command is there. Touch my first pro. Okay, I create this one. You see ls, it created the directory called my first proj. So two way you can create. One is mk directory, mkdir, otherwise touch command also can be used. Now I am in the folder of present working directory, my first project. Okay, in which I have created one more folder. Okay, how to create this? Now, how to remove this? I want to remove this must created folder. For that, rm minus my first proj. It will remove. It's nothing but deleted. Now you see nothing is there in that folder. Now I am in the folder. I am in the directory under my first project. Okay. Now one more command I will show you. Clear. Clear. It will clear the screen. It will go to the top. Right. So what are we learn today? We learn pwd is the command and ls is the second command, and how to change directory. Okay, how to come out from the directory. Now I want to again into the directory, cd space, this one we done. Then I created one folder, mk directory, my first proj. This way or otherwise you can use touch command. Touch. Both way you can create one more folder. So touch command we had learned. Then after that clear command we have learned. Okay. Now one more command we will see because this is the first day. So we will learn one more command, that is cat command. What is cat command? I just come out from this folder. Now you see cat. What is cat command? Cat command is nothing but to view the content of the file. Suppose I have, you see, this file is a text file. I wanted to see the content of this file. Use cat command. So cat, then simply type that. I'm just copy pasting it. Okay. If you press enter, it will show you the content of this Python interview salt_basic.txt, this file, whatever it is. It shows the content. You can view what are the contents inside this text file using cat command. Okay, one more command we learn. Using up arrow, what are the command we have used in it? It shows. See, I'm up arrow, I'm clicking it frequently. It shows all the command in the history. So no need to type again that command. Using up arrow and down arrow, you can select the command and you can press enter. It will show you. These are the things. Okay, for the first day, this much is enough, and we will show you advanced command in the coming days.